All right, Josh, welcome. Welcome. So here's the deal. We have a Grecian pool. It's a little bit rainy, and we're going to record and measure this pool and then fill in the paperwork afterwards. It worked out pretty well, and we were actually able to measure a little bit quicker. So hopefully this doesn't take us long. So we're gonna butt up and do the overall length of the pool. And that's what we're gonna be doing now. So this is a Grecian pool with a square pad hopper, a Hayward light. Yes, on the low wall, 2 stair returns, 1 pool return. 32 feet. The overall length of the pool is 32 feet. So now I'll do the width, Josh, over there. That's okay. Yep. I'll have you stay there for a couple measurements, all right, buddy? All right. So we're measuring right in from the pocket, right? 16 feet. So now, stay there. We're gonna be staying there for a bunch. So now we're gonna do a cross diagonal, and this is from left side of stair, looking out. 13 foot 3.5 for this cross diagonal. Stay there. 13 foot 3.5, left side of stair, looking out. Now, this is 4 foot 3. Stay there on this one now, buddy. This is gonna be right side of stair, looking out, cross diagonal. And I'm getting 13 foot 4. So stay there. Right side, 13 foot 4. Right side of stair. All right. Now we're looking at 9 foot 11.5. The width of the stair is 9 foot 11.5. Josh, go back to that one there for 2 more. So this is cross diagonal from right side of stair to left side of stair deep end. Cross diagonal. And we're getting 30 foot 6.5. 30 foot 6.5. Stay there, Josh. Now we're doing the length. We're coming around. Beautiful camera work. Shoo. We're gonna have to work with me on the camera work. All right, this is length. From this to this is 26 feet. So this is 26 feet from there to that. So now I'm gonna have you go back to that one, buddy. So this is gonna be cross diagonal, left side of stair shallow to right side of stair deep. Yep. Nope. Yep. Cross diagonal. Go ahead. Yeah, we are. You there now? We're doing 30 foot 6.5. Stay there, dude. We're gonna confirm that this was what, 26 feet, right? That's what it was down there. 26 feet. All right, so they're both 26 feet and they both had the same cross diagonal. All right, Josh, come on down to here now in the steep end. Now, we could have also measured this pool, Josh, as a rectangle with a 4 foot 3 diagonal in the corners, and that would have worked. But we're measuring it as a Grecian because that's the one that we have. All right, 16. Stay there. And we're gonna call it 13 foot 4. 4 foot 3. Come to that one. That's 4 foot 3. And then this is gonna be 10 foot. Stay there. This cross diagonal. 13.4, and we'll just reconfirm we got a 4'3" here. And that'll be it for the perimeter of the pool. Okay. Yep, 4'3". All right, so that's, you got the hard tape now? So right here off the back slope, I'd like you to measure, let's try a 5-footer. So we're trying to measure out how far out if we drop a rock on that crease line right there. And right now Josh is holding me at what, 5 foot? Okay. Let me see your tape measure now. You're gonna come on, do the side slopes here. Same thing, we'll check 5. Yep. Holding it right on the edge of the pool. 5 foot, drop a rock, lands on the crease. We're gonna check over here, 5 foot. On the side. So our back slope, side slopes are looking like they're 5 foot. Yep. And I don't have a down and out stick, but I do have a good eye. So there's other ways to do this with vac poles and, you know, stuff like that. But I have a good eye. So that's, so that'll be a 6 foot hopper pad. No, we're good there. So a 6 foot wide hopper. All right, buddy. Hold me on that chalk mark that we made earlier before we started recording. 5 foot. Hold me right here on the left side of that mark a little bit. And this is gonna be, okay, so it's gonna be 13'6" for the walk up. So the walk up is 13'6" and a 5 foot pad length, 5 foot back slope. So that's 10, so that's 23'6", and we're trying to get to 32. So we should be 8'6" from there to there. So Josh, hold me right here. There's a bunch of different ways we can do this. But right now I'm just gonna see if 8'6" gets me in the ballpark. And it certainly does. In line with that. Okay, so another way would be to stick my tape measure out there and do that. Here, Josh. The camera's on this side of the phone, so hold it on the, yep, there you go. All right, so we're just gonna finish up our shallow depth now. So measure from the floor. So it's looking like about 41 inches. And like I was saying, you could do it like this. And then you hold it on there. And as you see, the tape measure is falling down. And I can tell you it's going to land on 8'6". All right. 8'6". All right, so let's check our shallow depth over here. Check it right here. All right, shallow depth is 41 inches. So it's important to note that that's a square pad hopper. It's a square pad hopper. So the way I'm going to measure the depth, like I said, there's a lot of different ways you can do it with a down and out stick. I'm just going to take my tape measure and make sure it gets all rusted up. And I'm going to measure from the floor to the water. See, here comes the rain. All right, from the floor to the water is about 85 inches. So to get to 96, which is 8 feet, that would be 11 more inches. I think we're going to be more than that. So we'll start with 85. So that's plus 20. So that's 105 inches. 105 inches is 8'9". So it's very, I've seen this pool, it's very common that it would be 8.5 feet deep or something like that. But I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna call it 8'6". we'll leave the 8'9" alone. From the floor down there was 85 inches. Then I had 20 inches from the coping down, so that's 105 inches, 8'9". I'm comfortable making it 8'6". So that's how you measure a pool that looks like a Grecian. It could be measured, you know, like I said, it could be a rectangle with a 4'3" diagonal corner. We measured it like a Grecian on the Grecian measuring sheet. We have a square pad hopper, and we'll end up noting where the plastic stairs are in the pool, so that when they weld their wall seam together, the wall seam can be there somewhere down low where you hardly see it. So that's it. We're gonna put the safety cover back on with this one, and then we'll be off. We're gonna go measure another one. See you soon. If you've got a pool, don't forget to like and subscribe.